The following is a morning walk conversation with His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on May 30th, 1974, in Geneva, Switzerland.
In the material world, everyone is given the facilities for eating, sleeping, sexual intercourse, and defense. Now if some dangers come, so we may be victim, but a bird immediately goes. He has better defense, is it not? If some dangers come immediately, suppose all of a sudden a motor car comes and kills us. We cannot do anything. But the bird, small bird, hut, he can defend. Is it not? Yes. His defensive measure is better than us. Similarly, I want to have sex. I have to arrange for that, find out some. But the female bird is always around me. At any time, this sparrow, the pigeon, you have seen it? Immediately ready for sex life. And eating, there is some fruit, immediately he can eat. And sleeping, that is also very comfortable. So, this facility, don't think that it is available on the skyscraper building. They are available for the birds and the beasts. It is not that unless you have got a very nice apartment in the skyscraper building, you cannot have all these facilities of eating, sleeping and sex life. Anyway, Vishaya Khalu Sarvatasya. This is called Vishaya. Vishaya means the facilities for sense enjoyment. That is called Vishaya. Our process is Vishaya Chariya, Seva Srimadi. One has to give up this Vishaya and relish the transcendental peace. It is a different platform. And these persons, bodily concept of life, their only enjoyment is this Vishaya. The Shastra says that you are after Vishaya, this is available in any life. Why you are repeating this Vishaya in different forms of life? Either as bird or beast or tree or human being, or cats and dogs, punah charita. Again and again, the same, in different forms. So, those who are interested with this Vishaya, Matinna Krishna, Parato Sato, they cannot become Krishna conscious. Parato, by instruction of spiritual master or experienced person, or by themselves. Themselves they cannot, even by instruction, by the spiritual master or higher authority. Parato, Sato, personally or by others instruction. Mati na Krishna, they cannot become Krishna conscious. Mitho vipadveta, mitho, or by conference, considering, making a meeting, what is the problem of life. They cannot take to Krishna consciousness. Why? Grihabhritana. So long they have got this determination, we shall be happy in this material. They cannot. Griha. Griha means home, and Griha means his body also. Those who are trying to be happy within this body, material world, they cannot take to Krishna consciousness. Matinna Krishni parato satova nithova abhipadyeta grihabhrata. Why? They cannot adanta govi. Their senses are so uncontrolled. Therefore they must undergo the process of charivita charivana. Again and again the same business. Eating, sleeping, mating.
So our business is to convince them that they can't be happy in the material world?
Yes, that they have got experience. Therefore daily they are forming so many parties, manufacturing so many means and plans and this and that. But they are not. But they are so full, great full, that in spite of being repeatedly baffled, still punah, the same thing, under different form. What is the difference between this rascal communist or capitalist? After all, they are animals. How they can make things better arrangement? That is not possible. The only thing, this man will say, exploit others, other man says, give food to the others. What is there? Give food to the others or exploit others, the same animal propensity. Where is the advancement? The capitalists are thinking, exploit others. The same thing, like animals. This dog, as soon as he saw the shadow of his own body with the food, he thought that, let me capture that food. This is exploitation. And another is saying, no, first of all give food. So they are fighting like this. Everyone's aim is that we shall remain within this material world and happy. Therefore, grihabhrata.
If we can get enough to eat and sex, we'll be happy.
Yes, sir. And then they become imported. Go to the doctor. Give me sex medicine. Punah, charvita. The same thing. Not at home, sex, but let us go to the prostitute, go to the naked dance. They are no other ideas. Punah, charvita. These class of men cannot take this. First of all, one must be in knowledge that I am not anything of this material world, I am spirit soul. My happiness is in the spiritual world. Then he can.
A blessed person, a blessed. Some people say that what makes us different from the animals is that we can enjoy art and we can enjoy music and we can enjoy all type of art. And
that is, the animal, the snake also can enjoy music. You know that? They play very nice music. A snake will be charmed, he will stand. It will not attack it. Similarly, the deers, the hunter, they play very nice music and they assemble here and they fight, kill them.
The birds are also making their music.
No, that is another thing. But these deer and the snakes and many animals, they are very much fond of music. They enjoy. Matinna Krishne parato chato anto vipadvi tadvitabhita Vedanta Govi Visadang Kamisam Puna Purnachar Vitachar. Next question is how one can become interested in the spirit, soul, or Krishna consciousness. How? This is the position they cannot. The next proposal is how they can be. Naishangamatistavaduru kramangling Spishattana thopajad Jadupogamam Niskinchanaran Padarajo Visetam Naishangamatistavadrutamangling Spishattana thopo Jadatpogamam Mahiyasana Padarajo Niskinchanaran Nishangamati, Esa, of these rascals and fools, Mati, consciousness cannot be touched. Nishangamati, Gurukramanghi, towards the lotus feet of Lord Krishna. Gurukrama. Gurukrama means one who acts very wonderfully. And he is lotus feet. Their attention cannot be converted or turned towards the lotus feet of Krishna, who acts very wonderfully. Anartha upagamam, and all this misconception of life becomes vanquished. How can it? So long one does not touch his head to the dust of a devotee of the Lord, who is Niskinchan, who has nothing to do with this material. That devotee is simply interested in Krishna. If one has got the opportunity of touching his head to the lotus feet, to the dust of the lotus feet of such a great devotee, then it is possible. Otherwise, Niskinchana, Mahiyasana Padarajo Vise, Mahiyasana, such glorified devotee, dust of the lotus feet can help him. That's all.
The pure devotee gives the chance to everyone,
yes,
but only a few approach. So still the question is, how can they become interested in the pure devotee?
No, this is that you do it. If they do not do it, then this declaration is there. That if you do this, then you can be interested. But if you do not, then you go on with your own business. Similarly, the same thing is Krishna. Sarvadharman Mamekam. Krishna is demanding that you do it. Surrender. Shastra also says, surrender unto the representative of Krishna, Mahiyasa. But if they do not do it, what can we do? Let's see this sparrow, the sex is always accompanied. Any time, ready. The pigeons, any time, ready. Vishaya khalu sarvatasya. That is the only attachment for this material world. Vishaya. The whole world is fighting for this Vishaya. I must have nice eating, I must have nice sleeping, I must have very good steps, and I should be defended by bank balance, by military soldiers, by police force, by atomic weapons. This is depends. And Rascal does not understand that in spite of all these things I will have to change the body. And the same thing will be available in a different way. This intoxication, cigarettes, the ant, the small ant, they are very fond of intoxication. You know that? As soon as there is information on the top of the skyscraper building, there is a grain of sugar, they will go. Because sugar contains intoxication. The wine is made from sugar, molasses. It has got the intoxication. You keep a grain of sugar there, and there will hundreds and thousands. Gold rush. Study. You see, what is the difference of this civilization and the ant civilization, dog civilization? Yes. No difference. It is in simply formation.
Yes, I've seen sometimes if somebody peacefully makes some sweets, like sweet balls, and there's some left over. You'll find the next day so many drowned ants, because they've been so mad they'll jump into it and drown themselves.
So, Shastra says, Radha Sudullamamidam Bahusambhava. My dear human being, please note, you have got this form of life after many, many births. Bahusambhavante. You have to undergo the aquatic life, 900,000 species. The birds, again, trees and plants, 2 million. How much time has gone by for the evolution? Now you have come to the human form. Labhyasudullabhamidam bahusambhava manusyam. This is human form. Arthadam. Now you can achieve success. Although it is temporary, but you can achieve the highest perfection of life. Therefore, turnam jateta, anumektu padeta. Before next death, you be very dexterous to complete the success. And if you think then, what about my sense enjoyment? Vishaya khalu sarvasa. It will be available in any life. This life is spent for this purpose. Don't waste simply for Vishaya. Vishaya khalu sarvatasya. This is get, even if it becomes cat and dog. But in the cat and dog, I will not get this opportunity. How to get out of this material existence? These are the instructions. These rascals have no education to understand. Therefore, we must give this education, we must induce them to read this book in school, colleges. That is propaganda. Now we have good books. These rascals, they have no books to read about this realization. They have out only Freud's philosophy and this and what is that? And Darwin's theory and all rascals. Simply rascals. Let them read this book. This philosopher, that philosopher. What is that? Puna charvita charvanana. The same philosophy. Repeatedly for sense gratification. That rascal Mahesh Yogi, he also says, you take this special mantra, your material enjoyment will be easier. Same, the Puna Chari. He has no other information. It will be better. And they accept, my enjoyment will be better. Like, take $35. Give me that money. They like it because they are promising that he will get this. Politicians also, they are promising, you take this ism, your sense gratification will be easier. The same promise. This ism or that ism, this yogi, that yogi. But nobody knows what is actually happiness. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Rama. Nati vidu sāsavatam Vishnu durāsaya dhiri. They are trying to be happy, like sense enjoyment. Material bodies enjoy. Durāsaya, it is simply a hope which will never be fulfilled. Durasa. Asaya means hope. And dura means very difficult. It is not possible. And they are being led by such rascal leaders who are promising sense gratification. Because they are blind, another blind man comes and says that you'll be happy in this way. Come on. This way, your sense gratification will be very much easily satisfied. Come on. Yes, very good leader. State is something. They forget that they are bound up by the stringent laws of nature. There is no freedom. Only a variety is of sense enjoyment is offered because he wants. Actually that is not enjoyment, that is bound up. Nature, if you enjoy more sex life, nature's our life will become important for 10 years. And still he wants to enjoy. Little this way, that way, immediately punishment. You have eaten more, 3 days suffer. No diet, no food, suffer dysentery. And they enjoy. What is enjoy? As soon as violate a little of the nature's law, you are immediately punished. Then nothing. Ishatantra vadhya. Krishna Tantra, the laws of nature, they're so much bound up, hands and legs. Still they're declaring freedom. What is the freedom? Immediately you'll be kicked by shoes as soon as you violate a little. Immediately. There is ocean of salt. Now we require salt for making our foodstuff very tasty. But if you take little more salt, you cannot eat. No, you cannot. If you think of so much salt, let me put more salt, more salt. It will be easy. You can take only so much quantity, that's all. In this way you are bound up, always. And still we are declaring freedom. What freedom? What is the meaning of this freedom? But they are fools, they cannot understand.
Then Krishna consciousness is the right quantity of salt.
Yes, Krishna consciousness is giving you everything in the right way, so that you can save your time, you do not waste your time, and you can advance in Krishna consciousness. That is required. We don't say that you stop eating. Yes, you eat. Take little Krishna prasad. We don't say that don't sleep. No, you sleep. But must rise early in the morning for Mangalarti. This is our thing. Eating, sleeping, and sex. No, we don't say no sex life. Yes, you have sex life. Get your bona fide wife, live peacefully. And defense also. You never say that you forgo all these things. No, this is not our way. But similarly, as much as you absolutely require, not more than that. The balance time, save for advancement. These people simply are engaged for eating, sleeping, meeting. They have no time for Krishna consciousness. This condemned civilization must be